Local welfare agencies fear the worst for next week's budget, with hundreds of services and programs in the firing line. They fear more people will be seeking their services, but a cut in funding will leave them unable to care for the masses.
AFL athletes and disadvantaged kids side by side as the Power and Food Bank launch a charity home with proceeds going to feed the hungry. But charities like Food Bank could soon be asking for help, with the federal government set to cut funding to programs and services.
We wait with bated breath.
The cost of necessities also likely to increase.
We're going to see, I believe, an influx of people coming to see us who are seeking assistance.
They can't afford co-payments, they can't afford additional charges for services that they're already getting.
Funding for 200 programs helping those in need likely to be scrapped.
It's going to reduce the level of service that we're going to be able to provide, and that is a real concern to us.
A concern that could have dire consequences.
If funding to all those areas is cut as of 1 July, then we'll probably have limited options but to look at reducing staffing.
Over the course of the year, 130,000 South Australians, enough people to fill this stadium 2.5 times, are faced with the prospect of not knowing how they're going to get their next meal, and that number is only likely to increase.
Given that the way that they're shaving and slicing as much as they can, then we're not sure. And the sector is actually, there's a certain nervousness about it. Well, actually a lot of nervousness.
Jack Bacetta, 9 News.